The World Wide Web is the most successful information integration project in human history. It contains a world of information, from facts to photos, from music to masterpieces, the near sum of human knowledge spread out across the entire planet but accessible through a single browser window. It is, in short, a proven model for large-scale, complex information integration. Now, from a technical perspective, we can view the web as a decentralized graph of connected documents. My previous videos describe how decentralized graphs have the potential to revolutionize enterprise data integration. And here's the cool thing. The web gives us everything we need to create a decentralized enterprise knowledge graph straight out of the box. Let me put it more simply. An enterprise can use the tools of the web to connect the near sum of all of its data together, allowing it to be viewed through a single lens. On the web, battle-hardened technologies like HTTP servers, URLs, HTML and hyperlinks allow anyone to connect their documents to anyone else's, regardless if they're based in the flat next door or on the other side of the world. I guess at a general level, at least, you already know all this. But over the past few years, some very clever people have worked out how to use these technologies to do the same thing for data. To give you an intuition, currently on the web, if you click on a link, you get the web equivalent of a Word document back. With the tech these guys have created, you get the web equivalent of an Excel spreadsheet. At the heart of this idea is the URL. Each data item, be it a sale, product or person, gets a unique URL, just like each web page on the web does. And where one data item links to another, they connect together with hyperlinks. This is data integration on the web scale. And unbeknownst to most people, a third of all web pages now contain these little islands of data. But if it can work at the web scale, why not use this tech stack behind the enterprise firewall? It gives us everything we need to create our decentralized enterprise knowledge graphs. Let's drop down to the implementation level for a sec. First of all, you have data websites. So each application within the enterprise runs an HTTP server and publishes its key data in RDF, giving each data item a unique URL. The applications are then responsible for connecting their data together using hyperlinks. This architecture is scaleless, as the data stays where it is and is simply exposed into a vast connected layer. And it is decentralized, as it's the application teams themselves that are doing the data integration. Now, just like you don't load the whole of the web into your web browser, so a given user or application does not need or even have the rights to access all of the data in the enterprise. You can think of this as splitting the graph in two. A vast, slow, distributed graph for the enterprise and a fast, compact one for each user. Users get their own data browser that provides a window onto all of the data in the enterprise. But a user can only pull back and cache the fraction of the data that that user actually needs and has rights to access. By connecting information together, the web has made humanity more powerful. Not everything about it is good, but at a species level, this rich network of connections has made humans faster, more efficient, and more adaptable to change. Now, I know for large enterprises that the data integration problem can look insurmountable. And frankly, it seems ridiculous to talk about connecting all of an enterprise's data together. But the web shows that it is possible to connect information at scale. It gives us a model for success. So take the standardized, battle-hardened tech stack that runs the web and apply it to the data within the boundary of your enterprise firewall. The result is a decentralized enterprise knowledge graph that is capable of integrating the near sum of all your data together into a richly connected network. Connecting your data this way will make your enterprise faster, more efficient, and more adaptable to change. In short, it will make it more powerful and much better positioned for the oncoming AI tsunami.